Let's go for a drive. I got my key down here. Lights are on. Oh shoot. Let's try this once more. Oh man. We've all been there, right? Plane departs in 2 hours, your wife is giving birth to your first child, or heck, even there's happy hour in your favorite bar. And where are you? Stuck at home, with dead battery. Typical lifespan of car's battery is about 5 years. Around that time, especially in winter, you can expect some problems. If this is the first time you've come across this sort of problem, you can try charging your battery, or in case of emergency, try jump starting your car out of another car's battery. You should be good for a few days, but expect problems can appear again and be much worse. You don't have to start at all. This sort of problem doesn't appear suddenly. At the beginning, you will hear that cranking power is not as strong as it used to be. You can try charging your battery and you will probably be good for few days, but be prepared that your car can let you down anytime. And probably will. Also, if you measure your battery's voltage and you see it's under 12 volts, your battery is toast and you need to get a new one. If you charge it, you can still start, but it will probably lose energy very soon, so you cannot rely on that. To measure battery's voltage, you need to get under your hood. This right here is a steering wheel, and here is a lever that opens the hood. It's really similar in almost every car. Then in your front grille there is a little lever that you have to pull or push, depends on your car, to release the hood in the front. Press this latch behind the logo under here and open. And secure it with the stick. Battery of my car is located right here. Yours can be somewhere else, maybe even in trunk. For example, if you have an MX-5 Miata. To measure battery's voltage, just remove this piece of rubber, and with a multimeter, unfortunately I don't have one on my hand today, connect these two posts and it will show you the voltage. Don't worry, the voltage is not high, so even if you hold the two with your hands you won't get shocked. It's safe. Also, if you want to jump start or charge your car's battery, you connect your leads to these two posts. So, to remove your car's battery, just simply unscrew these two bolts. Disconnect the cables. And your car battery is free. When you get your new car battery, make sure it's same dimensions and it is powerful enough to crank your engine. Always consult your owner's manual. Also make sure your new battery is correct orientation. what I mean by that is that the positive terminal is on the same side on both of them. You see, positive is right here and right here. Your leads may not be long enough to reach the terminals on battery with opposite orientation. Now when my battery is gone, I will clean the battery tray. You can see all this mess right here. And also sand insides of the terminals to ensure the connection is good. Now my battery tray is clean, so it's time to sand down the connection. To do it, just simply take a piece of 600 grit sandpaper, stick it in and sand it all around. Right, like this. And that's all for the preparations. My car is now ready for its new battery. When putting in your new battery, make sure you don't place it on some cables or damage anything. Simply put it in, properly oriented, of course. Move the cables out of the way. Now make sure it sits good. I'll put in the cables, remove the protective cap, slide the connector on the terminal. Now take your wrenches and secure the nuts and bolts tightly. Now my nuts are tightened. I'll make sure that the connection is good and wow, this is not going anywhere. Do the same thing on the other side. Take the connector, slide it over the battery post, take your wrenches and tighten this bolt. Now make sure connection is good, nice and sturdy, and slide this rubber protector over the terminal. This is probably the most difficult part of it. Close the hood. And let's see if she starts. Now, new battery is in. Let's see if she starts. Lights are on, that's a good sign. Ah, beautiful. Now I can go out and get my cheap cookies for celebration. So, that's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope I haven't wasted 5 hours of my life. Please consider subscribing for more helpful videos like this. I have big plans with this car. That's it. See ya!